Hello everyone, Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna. Sorry guys, my account got deleted. I was thrown out by my own group. Just waiting for you all to join in, guys. Hello Mish. Sorry, kept you guys waiting. Hello Simi. Hello. Sorry. I was thrown out of my account. These girls threw me out of my account because you all were flirting a lot with me, so my account threw me out. Hello Nitesh, good morning. Hi Simran. Ritu says we did. Awesome. Today is beautiful. Observe and listen. Yes, this is so beautiful. Hi Alka. I know. Hi Simran. Oh, that's really sweet of you. You know, Ritu and all got together and threw me out. They're like, you don't come here. Don't even show up here. Hi Ashif. Happy morning, guys. Hello. Awesome. So today is beautiful, you know. It's like aha moment. Thanks, Umesh, for sharing. Observe and listen. So, you know, it's how somebody asked me, do I have to observe outside or inside? How if you observe everything? And if you just start observing everything, everything is so beautiful, and that silence is hitting within you. So this morning I was listening to something, and yes, that infinite being, yes, Ritu, totally. So it's like I was listening to something, and it was like, you know, you've given a mouth, and when you shut down your mouth, why do you keep talking in your head? And I laughed and laughed and laughed. Hey Arpita, good morning. You know how I just sit alone and I can laugh and I can keep laughing all the time. So I was like, yeah, why do we talk inside our heads? Because we have given one mouth. Do you walk while sitting? No, na. You only walk when you need to walk. Hey Deepthi, good morning. So you only walk when you need to walk. You only eat when you're hungry. So why do you keep speaking all the time? Isn't that funny how we keep talking all the time, even if we are not talking to the world? So, you know, and I was listening to this whole thing of Ekomkar translation, and it was so beautifully said there. It just says that, you know, how Guru Nanak Ji was able to change a person from from his body to nothingness. Basically, if you drop all your point of views around, hey Archana, welcome. It's like you, no thought will actually change your world totally, and it from that no thought at all you can create a world. Hi Aarti, hello Mishi, welcome. Hi Reshma, good morning everyone joining in now. So what if you actually start observing things with no thought, and I have been practicing, and even if 1 hour or like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, if you start practicing this of no thought, and it's like, how can you have no thought, as I've told it earlier also, by being in present moment. If there was no past and no reference and there is no future, and thought only comes when we are thinking of the past or the future. If we are in the present, then we have no thought. That thoughtlessness is only the enlightenment. That is the enlightenment, and that is when, in that space, even your everything is finished. Maybe you're bankrupt, maybe somebody's dying, or whatever. If you be in that moment, your whole world can change it, and that's pure presence. Yes, thanks, Ritu. That is actually pure presence. Good morning. So, hello Shwangi. Thank you for making me come in back. It's like, you girls are naughty. You throw me out and then you get me in. I love you, but no, you guys didn't. I am sure my phone updated everything. I'm just joking, guys. Don't make my girls say anything, you know. Anyways, FO. So, what if you can be observing? Did you, anybody of you who played this since morning, who has read this in the morning and have been observing? And you know, I've been watching people today, like in my family also, like I'm talking to people, I'm just listening. And it's so beautiful, and I can see, perceive people's worlds right now, and it's so beautiful. There is a world underneath all the kachar we keep doing all the time. There's a world underneath it. How do I reach the state of thoughtlessness? That's what I just said, Arpita. If you right now, if you don't have anything, how will you think? If you right now go to you, just where are you in your body? Just go to your body and go to you. And in this, when you went to you, did you have to think anything? And if if you just be here and you don't have any past right now, no reference, nothing, you belong to nothing, and you just be here and you have no future. Any thought, any word, any communication is only because of the reference. Isn't that so amazing? Any communication is only because of a reference, either from the past or from the future. If you totally be present in this very moment, just a second, or the fraction of the second, do you have anything to think? Thinking is only from the past or the future. Hello, Monica. Good morning, sweetheart. Do you get that, Arpita? And it'll be very short lived initially. I have been practicing this for years now, and I do get sense like still I have not been able to go more than like a 30 minutes or something yet to go a long way. And though I get those peace moments a lot, like my thought doesn't come up very easily now. Hello, Parita. Thinking how to be thoughtlessness is yeah. Who in you is telling you to think? So there's another way to look at it. Who in you, who tells you to think? So yesterday in the entity class when I was doing, and this question came up, and that's when I asked them that, hello, Bharata. So it's like how you, your mind makes you. Who says that you are thinking? If somebody is talking in your head, that means there's an entity, there is a being, there is a thought, and if there is nothing, can you ever talk to you? You only tell. No, you don't tell. Your mind tells. So you have to look for that. Who tells you in you that you're talking to yourself, or you have to talk to yourself? Or this is not happening, or this is happening, your mind tells. So when any entity, anything telling in your head or talking in your head, see, any word you hear is a talking. Any awareness is just you see it and you know it, and then you just cross the road. And if you go to the park or into the nature, you don't start taking out the weeds and you just see the dead plants or the new blossoming plants and stuff. You keep watching and you keep moving. So exactly like if you have anything talking in your head, that is already mind. So you can just watch it. Oh, I'm talking to myself. Yeah, the mind creates the thoughts. So you can keep observing your mind, and it's like, how a talkative child is talking all the time. If you start watching it, your mind, and then your mind will say, Arey, Arpita, you have to go there. Arpita, you have to do this. Arpita, you haven't finished this. This person will die because of you. This work, if you don't get the money today, you will not eat tomorrow. Your mind will take you to such places where it will be like you cannot not afford to think. That is a catch, and that is a catch, and like interesting point of view, and that is when we use the tool of interesting point of view. I have this point of view, interesting point of view. My mind has this point of view. Even if you keep repeating, and that is how in the olden times also, and now also, why everybody really focuses on a mantra, on a word. You can say Arpita, 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 Om, 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 or whatever word you want to come, Allah, Allah, whatever you want to say. You can keep repeating that word. That is actually to take your mind away from other chatter. So once you can concentrate it there, and then you are like, okay, and that's when you get into that silent zone. So if you start watching your mind and be present, and for that you have to be so present, and that's when I love the Talk to Entities class, because it actually asks you to be more present every moment. Concentrate on the breath helps, yeah. So whatever helps to you, whatever works. But the moment thought comes, you have to be so active and present, and it's okay, I got into the thought, now again I choose to get out of the thought. And the day you are thoughtless, and that is when they say 1 minute of breathing, and the day you get out of the thoughts, you're enlightened, guys. That's it. That's done story. And for this, then you don't need any guru, then you don't need any master. That's when you are a master of your own self, and you can change any and everything in your life. That's how I'm changing. That's how I'm choosing. So I wonder if that is an invitation. Hope everybody got that. If haven't, please go back and re-listen to it. There's some gems, and just keep watching your mind. Always observe. And when it's like, somebody ordering in the house, how did you say? How did you say? So ask your mind, what are you talking? So observe it and have the fun and enjoy the space. Love you too, Amishi. So you guys really blow me with your kindness, guys, and I'm so grateful to each one of you. And this evening at 6:45, I have the Insta Live where we're talking, are you committed to yourself? Is that the topic, Shivangi? Shivangi is gonna again interview me. She has her own questions. Hi, Ritvi. Is it Nandan Ritvi or it's Ritvi? But I think it's Ritvi. Hi. Hi, Shweta. I love how everybody has a different names on the Insta. So, Shivangi, what is the topic can I have, or Ritu? What is the topic for the evening today? 6:45. Yeah, what are you committed to? So, if you want to talk about the commitment, you want to know more about the commitment, please log in at 6:45. Anybody who wants to talk about the commitment, please log in at 6:45. Yeah, Ritvi. Awesome, Ritvi. Lovely seeing you. Hi. So, see you at 6:45 today at on the same platform. You can just have to log on the same live. Cool. And again, reminder for a foundation starting from the 31st. Anybody who wants to join in, repeat their foundation with me. Lovely, sexy me. Come and have a laughter ride for 5 days. You're most welcome to join in. I'm committed to sleeping. Arpita says, see you, date with Aradhana and Shivangi. Yes, date with both of us. All right, guys. Then see you. Hope any other questions around observing and listening. Just listen. Listening is so beautiful. You know how we want to fight out and we want to talk out and we want to always answer back. For once, stop answering back. For once, don't fight. For once, just shut that down and back into your thing and just be. Yeah, date with Aradhana. I love that name actually, Shivangi. Date with Aradhana and Shivangi. Let's name it. So she's given a new name to this talk show of the Insta. So let's date with Aradhana and Shivangi. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to all of you. So today, stop, observe, and listen. So much waiting for it. Thank you, Miss Sheil. I'm looking forward to for it. And what else is possible? All right, guys. Have fun. Have sex with yourself. Pull up sexual energies, joyful energies. Receive, relax, and release. Receive, relax, and release. Receive, relax, and release. Hello, Gunjan. Good morning. Time for me to go. Today is a day of observing, and I'm sure you know that. It's observe and listen. Observe and listen to you. And how much do you talk in your heads? So listen to it and stop the chatter. Be thoughtless, and don't worry. It probably Rome wasn't built in one day, so it's okay. As long as you're starting and you start playing with it, it'll start changing and shifting. Even if you give it a minute to yourself, or a half a second to yourself, or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Hi, Chani. Unnati Chani. I'm sure it's Chani. Welcome. So just observe it, watch yourself, and see if you're chattering in your box. And I think I discussed this earlier also in any of the talk, where I just said when your mind is chattering so much, if you actually take it out and make you sit next to yourself, and that person keeps blabbering the whole day, you're gonna kill them. And that is when you get bored of yourself, and that is when you're tired of yourself, and you're picking up everybody's chatter. So observe the chatter and let your mind rest today. Ask your mind, don't be that naughty kid. And even if it is, just keep observing a naughty kid, how you observe any naughty kid, and stop. And anything talking in your head, always remember, if any voice has been heard, who are you talking to? Keep emptying, keep sending those entities back all the time. It's just an information. You cannot talk to yourself. Awesome. All right. Bye-bye. Have fun. See you tomorrow. And see you in the evening at 6:45, guys, today.